Hey guys, back into the video. There we got a kitten. Yeah, he is so small. Look how small he is compared to my leg.
Milo, look.
Milo? His name is Milo.
Yes.
Here's his face. Okay, let's go moving. I want to move in the back. Okay, let's see. Here's the size of him. He is so small.
His name is
Milo.
He's a kitten.
He is trying to get out. No.
He's super cute. He meow like a kitten.
Yeah.
But Smokey hated it. Our other cat, that's the big one.
That's still a kitten.
Look at that. Also, wait.
8 more days until Smokey is an adult. He is almost. His Milo.
He hates this.
Look.
Hey, get me.
He's like 1 week old. Only 1 week old.
Look at that. It's so adorable.
Yeah. We just got him today. He's really cute. He just bit me with my finger. He bit my finger. Ow! That hurts. That actually kind of hurts. He still keep biting. Hi. Here's him. See, he's biting me. Down. No. See?
He's super cute.
Okay. Bye. Before you leave this video, make sure to subscribe.
You need
it's
to
down below.
You shall look at this.
Down is a button. And notification. And look. Come on. Down.
If you look. Hey. Come here to Papa.
Nope.
Look how he actually did. Hey. Come here.
Okay, let's
Come
see.
to Papa. So, here's the kitten.
Yes.
He's going away to get.
Make sure to subscribe, notification, and like the bell, and like the button. And the subscribe is down below, just like the notification. Comment below if you like this video. If you want the same kitten that I have. Yeah. And bye.